Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to activate iMessage on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, make sure you're signed in with your Apple account. If you're not signed in, log in with your existing Apple account or create one, as it's required to use iMessage. Next, scroll down and tap Apps. Then find and select Messages. In the Messages settings, locate the iMessage toggle and turn it on. Your iPhone will begin activating iMessage. You may see a waiting for activation message, which is normal and usually takes a few moments to complete. Once activation is finished, tap Send and Receive to confirm that your phone number or Apple account email address is listed. This is the address other people can use to send you iMessages. If activation takes longer than expected, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data and that your Apple account is signed in correctly. After activation is complete, you can start sending and receiving iMessages normally. So that's basically how you can activate iMessage on iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.